All right, hello. In this program or this video, we're going to be going over the trending program for Twitter. Basically, we're going to continue our programming of Twitter by determining which tweets are trending currently. So the first thing to do is just get this .java program, and it should look like this, loaded into your editor. All right, and what it's got a string array of tweets, right? These are kind of old, obviously, from a few years ago, but these are some tweets that were taken from Twitter, not real tweets, obviously, but you can imagine that we have a giant array of all the stuff going on in Twitter and all the tweets, okay? And so we want to do a method that takes in those tweets, so that's just the name of the array, and then a target word, and then returns how many times it's found. Okay, so in this particular example, we're passing in Trump and all the tweets, and we want to figure out how many times Trump was found in those tweets. Okay, and so a couple hints. There is a special method for strings that can tell you if a string contains a target word, right? So I think it's just .contains, but you can look up how to do that on the Java docs online and stuff, or continue watching this video if you really need help. But there's a special method that determines if a string contains a word or not. All right, you just have to use it correctly. And then the other part of this is you're going to want to call it multiple times. If you look at the program directions, it says search here for the target words of Trump, Hillary, and Pokemon. And so you're going to want to use the method more than once, right? So you're going to have to add that code also in here. So as always, give this a shot before continuing, and then you can watch this video if you get stuck. All right, so for the method, basically we just want to have an int count that starts off at 0. That's, the target was found 0 times. And then at the end of the method, we're going to return that count. So whatever it comes out to be, we return it at the end. And then all we really need here is a loop. So I'm just going to loop through, and I'm going to do an enhanced for loop since we're going through all the tweets one at a time anyways. So I'm going to do string tweet, pull it from the array called tweets. So that'll take each string from this array of strings one at a time, start in tweet. And basically, I'm just going to say, let's see, if tweet dot contains the target, right? So that'll return true or false. And if it does contain it, we can just increase the count by 1. If I could do plus plus count. Okay, you could also do index of. So you could do it if the index of is greater than or equal to 0. That's another way to tell if it's in there, because index of returns -1 if it doesn't find it. So that'd be another way. So just to show you an alternate, it could be if tweet dot index of the target, if that is greater than or equal to 0. That would be another way to do it. Because yeah, it just returns the index, the spot where the target first occurs, and if it doesn't occur, it returns -1. So that would be an alternate way. So let's see if this works now for Trump. And I think, did I put that in the program directions? Well, I don't know. You could go back and look, but Trump is in there 4 times, it looks like, right? So let's just count the other ones then. So I'm basically gonna do this code 2 more times, except I'm gonna call this Hillary count, Pokemon count. So I gotta change this to Pokemon count, this one to Hillary count, and then I'm gonna look for Hillary, and I look at Pokemon, I can say Pokemon. All right, and so we could see that. I'm gonna run it. We can see Trump and Hillary are the most popular, followed by Pokemon. This was back when Pokemon Go was a thing, but we can see that currently the 2 highest trending are Trump and Hillary, based on these 3 searches, I guess. Obviously, we need to do some more searching, but you get the idea. We've got the start of a trending program. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. This one, again, by the way, was optional, extra credit. So if you get it done, you can turn it in here or in the turn in folder for extra credit. I think it's kind of a fun one. It's kind of interesting to see. It's not probably all that hard to figure out what's trending on Twitter. You just got to look for common words, do word counts, and then figure out which one has the highest word count. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.